Beaks and Wings. Beaks and Wings. Ain't that what it was called? Beaks and Wings?
Beaks and Wings.
Shout out to Ryan and the Neandertalk Podcast. Best
Shout
podcast in KC.
Shout
You know what
out
I'm
to
saying?
whiskey.
Yes. Fire. I killed mine. But anyway, go ahead and check out this new vlog. Behind the scenes of a Neandertalk Podcast episode with Beaks and Wings. Yeah. It's about to be an episode today. We haven't started yet, but I have to go ahead and post now. Because this is different. Completely different.
Alright, throw on the...
Taking flight tonight. I just wanna have a couple drinks with you. Thinking what I'm thinking, let me think with you. Climb up on the cloud, let me float with you. Feeling what I'm feeling, type of night with you. I just wanna have a couple drinks with you. Thinking what I'm thinking, let me think with you. Climb up on the cloud, let me float with you. Feeling what I'm feeling, type of night with you. Yeah. The Son Assassin. You know who she rockin' with. You are over everything, baby. It's underground royalty, baby. Wanna believe in some...
Wow, he just got on my shoulder. That was cool. Thank you. Well, no, your info and everything, too. It's my little vlog in the background. What's his name?
There we go.
Snooky.
Snooky.
Yeah, this is Snook,
That's a good one.
50 years old. Hello, there he is.
Hello. Oh.
He's okay. Okay, now, just get the big guy.
You goody?
Let's get the big guns here. Come here.
Now he will dance for you. Hello.
Come here.
Hello.
Good, he's on the plate thing there. Good.
Hello.
No. Now you got mine.
Say hello,
Where are you
Snoop.
going?
Oh, he just crapped.
For some reason.
Did
Yeah.
How about
you get that on film?
Yeah, I did. Oh, birds are awesome. Man, Ryan just holding all the birds right now.
Oh, wow. That's Misha.
Mm-hmm.
That's a good one. Your camera takes good pictures. Yeah.
She's doing good.
She's doing real good.
You look like a dinosaur. Look at those eyes.
You ready to go back in?
That's what I was looking at. Yeah.
You want to hold this one?
Oh.
He's not a shoulder bird.
Oh, he's not. Okay, I'm
Right
good.
there,
Then.
you
I'm good. Yeah, I think I'm good.
Okay.
Come on, Misha. There you go.
Like that shoulder, I was like, oh, I don't know. I did my hands.
Giants.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on.
You can take a picture with her if you want.
Right.
Should be good.
With the big red? Come on.
Okay.
She's a sweetie.
Yeah, she's sweet.
Y'all know how I be about this. That's why I was like, this is different. A little different for me. Oh, snap. Okay.
Left shoulder.
Left shoulder.
They're left-handed. They like shoulder. There you go, baby. There you go.
Wow. This guy's big.
What? Look this way, boss.
All right.
You can
It's
walk
okay.
natural.
You can
They
walk.
hang on.
Okay.
She's not going to fall off.
You're walking like a robot. I
I
gotta
know, Dad.
I am
We
still
teach
to
you
the
how
bone.
to hold.
Nice.
Yeah, look at y'all.
Trust me,
It's
they'll
so
hold
cool,
on.
just chilling.
They don't want to fall off.
Posted.
Yeah.
Wow.
Cool.
All right. Looks like she's yours. Come on. We got this.
Oh no. You gonna leave me the peanuts at least?
Oh.
You guys are cool. Oh,
Yeah.
we're pretty cool. We pretty cool. Yeah, he already dapped me up and everything, basically.
I mean, a whole lot how to handle the big.
Heck yeah.
Went straight into handling the big birds.
Yeah.
Everybody else was scared, and I didn't know you're supposed to be scared. So there you go, like, oh, come on. Everybody else like, going, oh my God, it's right in your face. And then they showed me videos of what they can do. You're like going,
Oh, don't show me that. Oh, you need to show me that first.
Right. The nervous as a bug.
You just gotta jump into it. You can't be.
kissing on birds. They will take a lip right off. I've seen some lips hanging down.
She'll make kissing noises.
Oh my God, you're right. That would. Ooh.
Yeah, and you just put that bird on my shoulder.
Tickle, tickle, tickle.
Ears,
Tickle, tickle, tickle,
lots of ear
tickle.
damage.
There she goes. Tickle, 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 tickle. Tickle, 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 tickle. Whoever owned her before must have ran a daycare or had babies or something, little kids, because she would talk. She doesn't do it that much anymore, but she would say, little things that you would say to a baby. Like, like tickle, 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 and peekaboo. She plays peekaboo.
Funny.
And, I am caught on something, Misha. What is that? Is that my
So,
shirt?
how do we get to listen to this? Or when's it going to be available? Or
Oh, I'll let you know. It'll be 3 weeks or so, probably.
editing and
3
all
or
that?
4 weeks. I won't edit anything. I just post it. But I've got other episodes that haven't dropped yet. So,
Cool.
but I'll let you know. It'll be everywhere you can get podcasts on.
Can we
Apple Music,
Post
Spotify.
information on our website.
And what's that Patreon link? What's up with that
500
Patreon
people
too?
saying, "Oh,
Patreon.com/Neandertalk Podcast if you want to watch the whole video. $1 a month. $1 a month.
Hashtag support.
Yeah.
All my haters be quiet. Hey, you still hating on me, let me find out. Your business hella phony, let me find out. You disrespect my homies, let me find out. You disrespect my shorty, let me find out. Let me find out. Let me find